say it's not their first rodeo, and that means like it's not the first time they've done something. So if you're really good at something, you could say, we know it's not the first. It's not your first rodeo. It means like you've done it before.
Rodeo. Oh, write it out on the paper. You can learn. Rodeo.
You want the word rodeo?
It's the noun verb.
Rodeo.
Now.
Yeah.
Now. Rodeo. Radio.
Yeah, it's kind of like radio, but doesn't mean the same thing. You know what radio? Yeah. But they ride horses and bulls and do all kinds of tricks at the rodeo.
Stadium.
You go to, yeah, it's kind of like a stadium.
This one.
Hello everyone, my name is Weeks. You call me Moon. I'm a second year student at Yutong University. My major is accounting auditing. I am a member of Young Connect English Club. I think it's a good environment to practicing and studying English. All of members are friendly and outgoing, and they are willing to help each other.
Hello everyone, I'm Long. I'm 21 years old. I'm studying at the University of Education. I'm a member of Youth Connect Club. Today I'm so excited to tell you something about our club. It is my second home. It is a good environment for studying and practicing English. All the members here are really friendly, outgoing, usually help together. Welcome to our club, 500 Life College.
Guys, my name is Nyo. I'm 21 years old and now I'm the third year student at Da Nang University Foreign Language Study. My major is translation and interpretation, and now I'm a member of Youth Connect English Club. It is a good environment for everyone to practice English and show your confidence in English. And I hope that our club is more and more developing, and most of students in Da Nang City have a chance to join. Thank you so much. Let's for us.
I feel great about the weather. The weather's just gorgeous around here, and the people are very friendly, so that's awesome. I feel great about both of them.
Other answer? How about you? I enjoyed my time here very much. Just talking to the people, it was very just open, friendly.
I thought it was very good. I think it's so important to practice and being willing to practice and just not being too scared to try. And I think it was a good environment for that. So.
Yes, I thought it was great. Like she said, practice is very important. So being able to just get in groups and talk with each other seems very, very good and helpful.
Hello, Vietnam!